Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we're going to look at some simple free body diagrams. So a free body diagram, or a force diagram, is a way of drawing the forces acting on an object. It's quite usual to represent the object just by a dot. You can draw in a picture of whatever's going on, but generally a dot will be fine to represent our object. So that's our object. In this case, our object is a skydiver. And at the moment, this skydiver is falling through the air at a constant velocity. So constant velocity means there is no acceleration. That means that all of the forces acting on the skydiver must be balanced. So in this situation, we're going to have two forces acting. We're going to have the force of gravity pulling our skydiver down, and we're going to have air resistance perfectly match the force of gravity so that it's balanced. Air resistance. In this situation, there is no net force. Okay, all of the forces are balanced, there's no leftover. In our second example, we have a book, and again I'll use a dot to represent our book. And we are applying a rightwards force. So we're applying this force here. We'll call it F applied. And we're told that this book is going to have an acceleration, which means we're going to have unbalanced forces. Now the only force acting, the only other force, acting on this object is friction. So we're going to have a force of friction acting in the opposite direction. But that force is not going to be as great as the applied force. So we're going to end up having a very small net force, and that net force, that unbalanced force, is what causes our acceleration. And that is how we can draw some simple free body diagrams.